Welcome to the Daily Dish with New York Times bestselling author Leanne Ely. Putting vibrancy back into your everyday life and feeding your heart, mind, body, and soul. Join us every day at 1 p.m. Eastern for Motivational Monday, Tuesday's Tip, Wise Woman's Wednesday, Thirsty Thursday, Food Fight Friday, and of course Q&A, where no question is off limits, and Soulful Saturday. Here is your host, Leanne Ely, and the Daily Dish.
Hello, lovelies. Welcome to my new office. Happy Boxing Day, and I think that's fairly appropriate considering the amount of boxes that I have here in my office. Take a peek-see. Take a look. Look at all of this. I'm going to take you outside in a minute, but I just wanted to show you my office. I'm going to give you a bird's eye view. Here we go. This is my new office. Isn't it so cool? Isn't it? There you go. There's my desk right there. It's where the magic happens. That's my little planner. And right here, you see this thing here? I want to show you this. This is what usually locks and loads my, this little contraption, Marla gave it to me, is where I usually put my phone right here. Do you see that? And that's when you see me. And look, this is something that my friend Carrie gave me a long time ago. You are unrepeatable. There is a magic that is all your own. Don't you love that? That always spoke to me. This little purple binder, guess what this holds? This holds all the research. It's Office in a Bag from Fly Lady, but it's all the research that was in the new book that will be coming out hopefully in the spring. My daughter gave me this. Look, I got it from my mama. I love that. There's their Take Back Your Life journal, and this little knife is for opening boxes, not for committing hara-kiri, although sometimes I kind of wonder about that. And I just want to show you here too, this is my view from my office window. Do you see that gorgeous view again? Look at that! Isn't that so wonderful? How do you like that? And you know, guys, it is, and we got another table downstairs, two huge decks. Today's Boxing Day, and it's also Soulful, oops, almost dropped my phone. It's also Soulful Saturday, and I just want to share with you the new quote of the week because I think this one is so appropriate, and it's from Shirley Chisholm. Who here knows who Shirley Chisholm is? She was one of the first women, and a black woman at that, to run for president of the United States in 1972. So anyway, and she's very, very insightful, well ahead of her time woman, and just a lovely, gorgeous soul. One of these women that you can't help but look up to. And our quote of the week is, "Service is the rent we pay for the privilege of living on this earth. It is the very purpose of life and not something you do in your spare time." Don't you love that? Remember how I've told you how much purpose is pretty much your whole destiny, right? I mean, this is our purpose is to be of service of others. Okay, I'm walking out of this is the hallway. Do you love this? And down here, which I'm not going to show you, that's a little bath. And then through that door is a gigantic warehouse storage area, huge. If I went in there right now, Mark would probably slap me upside my head. I'm just kidding. He would never do any such thing. This is where we do our employee restoration. This is where Mark and I have some crazy ping pong games. We will, I should say, because it's not there. Remember I told you this place was set up for like 2 apartments. This is like the downstairs apartment, and here is the kitchen. Look at all that. Crazy, isn't it? And that's our wine cellar. Not so crazy, very wonderful. And then of course there's another fireplace right here, which we have, it's a big mess. And again, more mess. Let me just take you outside. It's freezing, it's about 20 degrees outside. But I just have to take you out here. It's not raining. And you've got to see it. Look, this is the lower deck. Do you love this? Does this not fill your soul? Every day that I've been looking out there, I just can't hold on to it. I just can't. I'm just telling you, my heart bursts with gratitude. Isn't that so incredible? I love, love, love this. And these are the stairs that lead down to that little dock. You can see it peeking through the trees there, sort of. Probably bad light, but nonetheless, it's there. Oh, I'm loving my view too. Thank you, Tracy. Thank you, Vanessa. I'm so glad you've showed up. All of you. It is amazing. And there's another, you see this huge deck, right? Huge deck. Well, this huge deck is going to house some of our best workshops when we finally get together. I cannot wait. I cannot wait to share it all with you, because that's the goal. That was one of my purposes, because again, if we go back to what is our life purpose, to serve others, that's where we find fulfillment, y'all. That's where we find it. That's when our souls sing. I believe that firmly with all of my heart. And when you look out on this and you see this, you just, it is a small lake, but it's a magnificent lake. And it's our lake. Yeah, that's what it is. Anyway, so I wanted to show all this to you. And oh, boxes, look at all this. And by the way, you guys, I'm going to, moving tip, do you see these liquor boxes? These liquor boxes make the best moving boxes for all of your wine glasses, your water glasses, all of your like vinegars and oils and everything. So there it is. All right, so I showed you that. I showed you inside. Here is the like sort of kitchenette kind of a deal. The ping pong room, we call it. We're not going to put a couch down here or anything. We're just going to keep it like this so we can get back to our game. It is a gorgeous day, Yvonne. It's freezing. It was 12 degrees when we got up this morning. But right now it's just kind of lovely. And you can see these are the stairs that lead to the upstairs. There you go. How do you like that? Oh, and I didn't show you this. This is my gym. Now it's tiny, but let me just say, am I going to complain? So right there, you see, there's my Peloton, and then I've got a bench over there. I've got some weights. My weight, yeah, look at that. I lift that, you guys. There's my rebounder. Everything's pulled apart. It's not back together. I got a vibration plate right there, and those are the mats. So we're going to pull up all this rug, put everything out, and I'm looking forward to opening those French doors when the weather is really beautiful and taking some of my equipment out there and just doing it on the deck. Can you imagine? Wouldn't that be great? Anyway, so there you have it. A short but fun little tour of the downstairs. And if you were with me on Christmas Eve, you saw the whole upstairs, even during the torrential rain. And all I can say is on this soulful Saturday, on this day, Boxing Day, I just want you to enjoy your family, enjoy where you live, and just be thankful, because you know what? There's so many people who have so much less than we do. My gratitude runneth over, and I'm thankful for each one of you. Thank you so much for joining us today. If you look at the very top of the page, you're going to see a lot of links. We have savingdinner.com/BOGO for our new BOGO. And this is the, I don't know, Jenny's got it posted up there, but I believe it's the one pot dish, and then you get freezer meals with it. Probably I'm wrong. But you also check out our Vibrant workshop, Creating a Vibrant 2021. That is going to be really absolutely astounding. You'll be getting emails about everything. Also, our Vibrant Body Detox coming up. We got a lot of things coming up. January, we are going to take it by storm. By storm, right? If you want a different 2021 than 2020, you got to be joining us for all this stuff. I can't wait to share it all with you. Check out the links. They're at the very top of the comment section here. And thank you for joining me because honestly, okay, you can't see it very well there. Here, it's here. There's nothing more beautiful than a lake view. Thank you again for joining me today. Happy Boxing Day. I will see you on Monday for Motivational Monday. Take care. Love you guys. Peace be with you.
Thanks for watching. You can find us on YouTube on the Saving Dinner channel or on the Saving Dinner Facebook page. Check back daily for new episodes, Monday to Saturday at 1 p.m. Eastern. If you missed the live show, you can watch the replay. Until next time, pinkies up.